Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today we're checking out how you can hide apps in your library on your MetaQuest headsets. So click on the far right on the menu there, that's your library. Go to the top and you can see a drop down menu that'll give you different options to sort your apps. So I've just clicked on installed, it'll show all my currently installed ones, but if I go to all, it'll show ones that I own but aren't currently installed. And maybe I want to be able to see those sometimes, but also maybe I want to hide some of those that I don't care about anymore. So you can click on the three dots above any of the apps and just click on hide, and then it'll disappear from this, and it'll actually go, if you click on that drop down menu again, to a hidden section. You can click on that and see all the different ones that I've hidden there. Oftentimes I'll hide demos that once I've bought full games or anything, and you can also unhide them as well, so they're not hidden forever. That's just another way that you can organize your library to be a little bit more custom for how you like. If you haven't checked out my other MetaQuest tips, I'll link that playlist below. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.